inside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The trailer park way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the trailer park way. Merry trailer park Christmas.
Trailer park Christmas.
Merry trailer park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hey there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, if you take a look at my calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com, you can print it off, but inkjet cartridge prices these days are crazy. You'll see today that it's a soup surprise. Well, we're going to be making a great minestrone soup, which is kind of a vegetable soup with an Italian flair, but you can spice it up the way that you like it. But today's recipe uses a vegetable blend that's sometimes called California blend. I couldn't find that, so this one's called Ranchero blend, and it looks good enough to me. It's got broccoli. We're going to turn this into a great soup. It's great on a cold winter's night, and it's up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my minestrone soup is really simple, and I've got a kind of a soup bowl up here on the stove top, and what I'm going to add is I've got 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. It says that right on the label, and I'm just going to dump that right on into the bowl here. And this soup is going to make you a star, especially it's a cold winter's night, or somebody might be sick and they just need something good to eat. And this is 14 ounces of prepared vegetable broth, and this was on sale. I usually pick whatever's on sale, and I'm just adding that right on into the mixture there. Today I'm using a white bean. It's a great northern bean. Sometimes it says just white bean. I've drained these and rinsed them, and I'm just dumping that right on into the bowl just like that. And we're going to bring this up to a simmer here, and we're just going to check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now that it's up to simmering, we're going to add 3/4 cup of the tiny shell pasta to it, and we're going to mix this around, and it's going to simmer for about 7 minutes. Kind of boiling too, so I'll check back with you in just a moment. Wow, I had to wait to cough. That's not food safe. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed, and I've got a 16th ounce. About 7 minutes has passed, and I've got a 16th ounce. About 7 minutes has passed, and I've got a 16th ounce. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got a 16th ounce bake. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got a 16th ounce bake. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got a 16th. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got a 16th. Okay, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got 16 ounce bags of, about 7 minutes has passed. I've got a 16 ounce bag of Ranchero Pesto blend, which is broccoli, carrots, kidney beans, garbanzo beans, green pepper, red pepper. It sounds good to me. You could look for a California blend or whatever kind of vegetables you like, but that sounds like a good mixture to put in my soup here. And I'm just dumping that right on in it. I've thawed this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simmer this until it's all nice and tender, the pasta and the vegetables. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. And there you have it, my easy minestrone soup. And look at that with the shells, and that vegetable mixture looks real nice there too. And you could use any kind of blend. And I have the carrots and the broccoli, and I see the tomatoes there and some red pepper too. And this would be great with some bread or some crackers. And I'm tired of talking about it, so let me see what this tastes like. That tastes very homemade, and that was just so easy to throw together. And you can spice it up however you like, and I can't wait to hear how you're going to change this soup up. And if you make it, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on that Instagram, I'm on that Facebook, and I added a little bit of this pesto, and I learned a whole bunch of tips from you all too, so I just put a dollop of this up on there, and I love to hear your comments too because it makes things better. I love spending the holidays with you. You can download the free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com, and you can follow along. And I see tomorrow that we'll be having another Rumpus Room vlog where I talk about all the recipes and behind the scenes. I'll see you tomorrow. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out.